Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Tanessa, aka Tanessa Love. If you are new, please hit the subscribe button down below. You don't want to miss anything that's coming. If you are returning, what's poppin'? Thank you guys for checking out this video. In today's video, it's my very first sponsored post here on YouTube. Today's video is sponsored by Curly&Wild. They are a small UK brand, black owned and female owned. Gotta support our ladies, and they sell textured clip-ins for us natural hair queens. So the details of this hair will be in the description box, but just really quickly, it is an 18-inch. This hair is called Wild Kink on their website, but again, all the details are in the description box, so check it out if you want direct access to this hair. Just gonna go into a bit of unboxing. This is the packaging that it came in with their logo on, which is beautiful, by the way. I already had a sneak peek, so this is not like a first reaction, but I honestly, guys, I saved the packaging just because I wanted you guys to see how bomb it looked. So it has on the box the texture of the clip-in, the length, and how many pieces comes in there. So the first thing that I got was this personalized card, and then I thought this was super helpful. So this is basically a care instructions or care manual on how to take care of your clip-ins, and inside it's just a bunch of tips on maintenance, styling, washing. Just extremely helpful book and guidance, especially if you're new to like buying clip-ins and don't really know how to take care of them already. And then I got this bag, like a little tote bag with the logo on. It's not a bag that I would store my clip-ins or any of my hairs in, like wigs or whatever, because I store those in silk bags, but this is a cute little bag. And then the hair. So I did go in, and as I said, I took a sneak peek of the hair because I always try the products before I come on here and tell you guys, you know, try this, because I need to know that I love it first. So I did have a sneak peek, but this is the hair, guys. It's literally like a blown out version of what our natural hair would look like if it's blow dried. So it's just that kinky, thicker texture. So let's get into the video and see how this goes. I actually think I'm going to do a side part, so I'm gonna go ahead and part that out now. But the style that you want to do, or the part that you're gonna have, will dictate how you install the clip-ins in the front. So I think it's very important to make sure that you know what style you want to do once you get to the front of your hair. If I come up close, you can see barely, like you can see a little bit where my hair stops, but if you just like, who's gonna know? What? So what I'm basically doing is fluffing up the front so it doesn't seem like just my hair at the front, which is shorter. So if you start to add clip-ins into here, then your hair is fully mixed in with the clip-in. Who can tell me that this is not my hair? So because my hair is not blow dried, there's no heat, there's no flat iron, it's in like a kinkier state, then if you want to go in with the heat to make it look like blow dried as this, you can go ahead and do that. I haven't used heat in my hair for a little while. Pin it back like that, and you mostly have the clip-ins doing its work. You can also, you know, ponytail. Oh whoa, does that actually look good? Oh wow, okay, this actually looks nice. And then let me just go and straighten it back. I am honestly like so impressed. I don't know if it's because I left my natural hair out at the front that makes it so fluffy, but if you look at the back and the length of it, it's also fluffy all the way down, so I don't doubt that the texture of the hair is just that thick and voluminous. The one pack did the hair. In fact, I still have 2 clip-ins left. You can do as you wish with that. You can always add that in for more volume. I think I already have enough volume. Okay guys, so this is where it starts to get a bit rough. My intentions with the hair was to use no heat on my natural hair as well as this hair because it's human hair. So I recorded on Friday, Saturday. I put rods in Friday night so that Saturday morning I can take the rods out and it would curl the hair. The struggle I had is that the hair did not curl and neither did my natural hair, and I think it's because I didn't put any product in it. So I put the rods in dry hair in the clip-ins and dry hair on my hair. That didn't work for me. It may work for you if you use smaller rods. Or I think if you want to go heatless with this look, you should spray something or put some type of mousse or something in your hair as well as the clip-ins before you go ahead and think it's gonna curl when it ain't. So I did end up using heat, but not in my natural hair, and if it did touch it a bit, it wasn't too much. I did curl the ends of this, so if you can see, it's mostly the ends of the hair that's curled, and then my natural hair is kind of stuffed and put away inside, stretched. So that is a heatless way to do it. I think it works for me, but again, the optimum route that I wanted to go was to use rods to curl it. Alternatively, there are different styles that you can do with this hair depending on how you install your clip-ins. So for example, how I installed the clip-ins in the front was purely because I knew I was going to do a side part and I knew that I was going to try to blend my hair with it. There's so many styles you can do with this. I think I'm gonna actually twist the front as well so it lasts longer and would be fully a protective style. So I've twisted the side here. I might just do that at the front to make the style last longer. And then for that perfect blend in the front, I started to twist or intertwine my hair into the clip-ins so they perfectly blend in together and kind of look as one. And I think this last step is really what sealed the deal with the blending of my hair and the clip-ins, which is adding a bit of oil onto your hair and the clip-ins, so it kind of tames the flyaways that's going on, any friction and frizz that's happening to your hair. So this oil kind of just tames everything and makes it as blended as possible as well. So this is the final touch on the whole look. Even though there was a bit of a struggle, okay guys, we got there in the end. I think the hair looks gorgeous. You can see the volume, and I also think that my natural hair being in the front adds a bit of that volume as well, but you really can't tell which part is my hair and where the clip-in starts or ends. I don't know, like I love it. And I look grown, okay? I look grown. All the details about this hair and a direct link to Curly&Wild's website will be in the description box. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you love the result as much as I do, and if you ever tried the style or get the hair, please just leave some comments. Let's chat about what you think about the process. And I want to thank Curly&Wild for sending me this amazing hair, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.